Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be going over the contents of my FabFitFun box. Now I've partnered up with FabFitFun in order to bring you this unboxing for their spring box. In case you don't know what FabFitFun is, it is a subscription box that you receive once every season. So we'll get one for spring, for summer, fall, and winter. Now the thing that I love the most about this particular subscription box is that you get to choose from beauty products, lifestyle products, fashion, and wellness. So you don't just have one particular category, you have a bunch of different categories and you can customize your box every single season. Now each box retails for $49.99, but you always get at least $200 worth of products in your box, and everything is always full size. That's the thing that I love the most, is that I never get like a deluxe sample of anything. Everything is full size and I get so much use out of everything because you are able to customize it. So I'm able to choose what I'm going to get, and then I know exactly what I'm going to get, so I know that I'm going to get a good use out of it. Now, like I said, this box retails for $49.99. However, you can use the code ALLBEAUTY at checkout to get $10 off of your first box, which I know that you all will love. This is the only subscription box that I have at the moment and that I'm probably ever going to have. I used to have two other ones, but I canceled those because I was getting a lot of repetitive products. I was getting products that I really wasn't getting a whole lot of use out of, or any use out of, and they would just sit there and collect dust. And so I didn't want to do that. I wanted a box that I was actually able to get some use out of, and that I was going to be able to customize and choose different categories, not just like beauty related categories. So that's what makes this box just so worth it to me. I love it. All right, so when you open your box, the first thing you're gonna see is this little catalog. It goes over every single item that you could have chosen for this particular season. That's everything that could potentially be in my box. It gives you the original retail value as well as some information of that particular product. So let's get into it, shall we? Let's get right into it. All right, so the first thing that I'm gonna grab out of the box is this right here. This is the Way 2-in-1 Purify and Glow Mask collection. It retails for $45 US. You can use the brown sugar mask for a radiant complexion or the golden root mask to deeply cleanse the skin. I've been really into face masks lately. Like I am using maybe 3, sometimes 4 a week. I usually do one like Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Sometimes I'll skip like the Wednesday one and just do one Monday, Friday. It just depends on my week, depends on how much time I have, depends on what my skin's going through. But I find that a good face mask, it's just such nice me time, and it's just so calming, and I just zen out and I just watch Netflix for a little bit while my mask is on, and it's just like I said, it's me time. Who doesn't love me time, right? So this is what it looks like right here. It comes with a brush in order to apply your mask, which once I'm out of these, if I choose not to repurchase this, I can use this brush for other masks. See what I mean? So you get a lot of use out of this. These 4 over here are for radiant complexion, and these 4 over here are to deeply cleanse the skin. Excited to try these, definitely. All right, so next out of the box is this right here. This is the Revive Light Therapy Glow, Wrinkle, and Anti-Aging Light Device. It retails for $68. You can stimulate collagen and elastin with this multi-wave light device. Now, I've never tried anything like this, like any light therapy on the skin, but I'm not opposed to it. So I will definitely give it a try. You get a powerful LED combination of infrared lighting, red light, and amber light. Each individual light is supposed to do something different. The infrared is going to combat the signs of aging by stimulating the natural production of collagen and elastin. The red light is going to reach the deep layers of the skin where it stimulates cellular repair and increase circulation to promote a more vibrant, youthful complexion. And the amber light is going to bring vitality to dull and lifeless complexions. All right, so it looks like this, and it comes with 3 AAA batteries. All right, so I briefly read through the instructions because I wanted to see exactly how this works. What you're supposed to do with this is on cleansed skin, you're supposed to turn it on and then apply it or place it exactly where you want to focus the treatment on. It stays on for 3 minutes and then it automatically turns off, and then you're done and you move on to the next area and the next area and the next area. I thought that you were supposed to kind of like do one of these numbers, you know, just kind of like all around the face, but that's not it. So I'm glad I read through the instructions, and I will be using this, and I'll let you guys know if it does make a difference or if I see any difference. All right, the next thing that I want to look at is this right here. This is the DONNI ribbed sweater coat. It retails for $99. Transition into spring with this relaxed cardigan that complements all shapes and sizes. All right, let's see. All right, so I can't really show you guys from top to bottom, but it is a very oversized sweater, which I don't mind. I can use this with like leggings, and I can pair it up with a different just like tank underneath. I really like it. I am into oversized stuff, but I don't know if this is too oversized. Maybe once I wash it, it might shrink a little bit. And just in case I don't know how to pair this, or if I'm like kind of confused as far as like what to do with it, there is a page for that. So you can pair it with a dress, which I like that. I like the way that looks. You can pair it with a sweater underneath. Maybe it's a really cold day out. Or you can pair it with a tank underneath and some jeans. I like that idea too. Or like that one right there. It gives you different ideas on what to do with this particular sweater, and I like it. But I am gonna take it off because all of these lights, this sweater and this shirt, I'm sweating. I'm roasting right now. All right, next out of the box is this right here. This is the Amber SCEATS, I believe, double coin necklace. It retails for $50 US. It is a gorgeous double layered coin necklace that features a detailed coin design on gold colored chains. All right, so that's what it looks like right there. Ignore the necklace that I probably should have taken off before I put this one on. But I like it. It's nice, it's simple, it's layered, and you can wear this with a ton of different outfits. I like it. All right, next thing out of the box, this guy right here, this nice big brush. This is the ARIA Beauty Luxe Detangling Electroplated Brush. It retails for $35 US. It is a perfect for all hair types brush. The extended bristles offer easy detangling and reduce stress to the hair and scalp. I'm really excited about this brush, not so much for me because I don't really deal with tangles, but my daughter has got really like a lot of thick, curly, wavy, just hair, just a lot of hair. I always call her my little lion because she does have like this big mane that we have to deal with every single day. And sometimes it can get pretty tangled. So hopefully this will help with that because yeah, sometimes it's really hard to manage. She's got a lot of it, and it's kind of all over the place sometimes. So this will hopefully help. That's why I was really, really excited when I saw this in the box. All right, next out of the box is this right here. This is the AG Hair Fast Food Leave-On Conditioner. It retails for $24. Dealing with frizzy or dry hair, use the Leave-On Conditioner to moisturize and help smooth split ends. Now, I don't feel like I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this because short hair, I don't really deal with frizziness, but my daughter does. We're gonna try it. All right, next from the box, this right here. This is This Works Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. It retails for $40. Use this cream to bring calm and relaxation while nourishing your skin. Let's see here. So when to use it? 24-hour skin solutions. Use nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin whilst you sleep. Massage nightly into hands and body and breathe in deeply. I love the smell of that. It smells like a spa. It really does. Let's see here. I am absolutely going to be using this. Listen, I have been washing my hands non-stop lately, and they are suffering. Like my skin, especially along my hands, like along here, around my nail, it's just right here in between my fingers. It's super dry because of all of the hand washing that I've been doing. So this is going to be really, really nice to apply before bed and hopefully help nourish my skin and bring it back from dryness. Feels really nice, feels really lightweight, so it doesn't feel too like thick and heavy on the hands, and it's super moisturizing. All right, so the final thing out of this season's box is this right here. This is the PURLISSE Watermelon Energizing 2-Minute Polishing Peel. This retails for $35. It is infused with extracts of watermelon and lychee and glycolic acid. This polish will give your skin a burst of freshness. I really like this. I had a little sample from a previous subscription box. I used it a couple of times, ran out of the sample, but I remember I really, really liked it. So I am excited that this full-size bottle is in this quarters box. Now I do remember that this made my skin feel really nice and fresh and smooth, so like very polished. I really liked it. And like I said, I'm excited I got a full size now. All right, so the grand total for my spring box came to $396. And it was all for $49.99. And with my code ALLBEAUTY, you can save $10 off of your first box. So you can get all of this for $39.99, which I think is definitely a steal. The first time that I subscribed to FabFitFun, I used a code as well, and I was convinced after that first quarter or after that first seasonal box that I received, I was like, yes, this is definitely a subscription box that I need and that I will use. Absolutely. So that completes today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly hope that you enjoyed this unboxing and that you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on future videos and future unboxings. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram, where I absolutely love to interact with you all. As always, take care, and I will see you all in my next video. Mwah! Bye.